Hi guys, how you doing today? It's your boy Jamrock here again. Today I'm gonna make some bok choy and chicken, one of Jamaican dish, hidden gem in our cuisine. Here we go. We saute our onions, tomato, and then we apply our green chopped bok choy to our pot. Now we're gonna stir it and let all the green season and the bok choy mixing together very well. And when you mix it in, guys, you're just gonna apply some seasoning on it. And when you apply your seasoning, apply to your taste, as I said, and you're gonna apply on there your black pepper, your salt, and then after you apply all that, guys, you can mix it in again, or you can just put your lid on and let it steam. But as you see, I mix it in, right? So that flavor is contribute all over, right? It's even, it's spread all over in that pot. That love is spread. You spread that love, right? Spread that love nicely. You know how it goes. You want that flavor to be even right across. So you put on that pot cover right there, and you let that steam for about 2 to 3 minutes, just like that. You see comes out. Yeah, it's ready. You got to put your chicken in now, guys. I have my chicken over here frying. You get what I'm saying? Season up with black pepper, seasoned salt, meat season, meat tenderizer, Caribbean spice, the whole 9 works. You know how it goes already, Jamrock style. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Okay, there we go, guys. That's the fried chicken. Finish out of the air fryer. We're gonna apply that fried chicken inside of our steamed bok choy. Guys, this is so delicious. I'm telling you, you cannot go wrong with this. Very healthy. And remember, when you're eating this meal, you don't need to make no veggie on the side. None of that. This is like a one-pot chicken veggie meal. And you serve it with some rice. Guys, this is very healthy. I use the chicken thigh, boneless chicken thigh. Guys, it is so juicy, so nice. Right here, guys, you can see me plating it with some rice. You can eat it with any side you choose to eat it with, or you can just eat it just by itself, right? You know, Jamrock always bringing you the best. You're gonna go over here. You're gonna take up some of that nice bok choy and chicken stir fry. You can call it like that. You can call it steamed bok choy and chicken, whatever you want to call it, but it is very tasty and healthy. Put that on the plate just like that, guys. I'm going to eat this right now as we're speaking. Okay, I'm going